Hi, this is Snehal with Outdoo. In this video, we'll be creating a multi-persona roleplay agent. So there are scenarios where you want to replicate a buying committee or an interview panel or maybe even a product demo, right? These are basically B2B scenarios. In B2C, for example, in the insurance sector, there are situations where you have multiple stakeholders involved. It could be, husband and wife who wants to decide which insurance policy for to take for their house or for other services, right? So to get started, you need to click on Create Roleplay Agent in your home screen, or you can go to the Roleplay Agent page and then click on Create Roleplay Agent and select Multi-Persona Agent. Right. So let's just do that. We start by defining the name. So let me just call it Buying Committee for now. I'll select warm call type. The scenario is that they are aware of the problem and solution. You can, of course, create custom scenarios. Once you have done that, you need to add personas to your roleplay agent. You can either create a new persona right now or just select the ones that you have created previously. So let me just go ahead and do that. So we have, let's take Mark as our champion who is already seen the product and demo, and then he has invited Priya and Daniel, right? So Daniel is from head of IT security and Priya is head of procurement, right? So Mark has invited both of them for this call. And let's take that as the scenario, right? We need to select a primary persona who will be leading the conversation from their side. So that's Mark in this case. Once you have done that, you just need to add few details about the company. For this example, we'll just call it All the West Tech. We need to define, the personas of each and every stakeholder involved. So I'll just add that Mark is the champion and has got Daniel and Priya in this call. Daniel is concerned about the data encryption at rest and in transit, and basically is looking for SOC 2 compliance. And then Priya wants to negotiate the deal, the pricing, and would be happy if the prices are reduced by 5%, right? We need to define what product or service the company is engaged in. Let's just say for this role play agent, they are building sales forecasting tool. All right. And finally, add a bit about the company. So let's just call it a mid-size 1,000 employee company based in Georgia. Once you have done that, the final step is to select the scorecard. So the scorecard is what the sales rep or the agent will be evaluated on when they are actually practicing the role play call, right? And they will get instant feedback and guidelines based on your playbook and your sales methodology, right? So once you've done that, you click on Create Agent and just do a final quick review. If everything looks okay, then just click on Save and Publish. And that's it. The multi-persona roleplay agent is all ready. You can share it with your team or you can add it to your course in your LMS or call blitz and let your team practice. Thank you.